Welcome to Auckland, New Zealand's largest and most vibrant city, nestled on the North Island's stunning coastline. With its breathtaking landscapes, diverse culture, and endless opportunities for adventure, Auckland offers a truly unique experience for travelers. Auckland is known as the City of Sails due to its stunning harbors and love for sailing. The iconic Sky Tower, which stands tall at 328 meters, dominates the skyline and offers panoramic views of the city. It's a must-visit attraction for thrill-seekers who can also take part in the sky jump or skywalk. For those interested in history and culture, the Auckland Museum, located in the Auckland Domain, is a treasure trove of Maori and Pacific Island artifacts, as well as exhibits on New Zealand's natural history. Nearby, the Winter Gardens showcase lush greenery and colorful blooms. Auckland's coastline is dotted with beautiful beaches, making it a paradise for beach lovers. Takapuna Beach, Pia Beach, and Mission Bay are just a few of the many options where you can relax, swim, or even try your hand at surfing. Devonport, a charming suburb just a short ferry ride from downtown Auckland, offers a glimpse into the city's colonial past. Its well-preserved Victorian and Edwardian architecture, along with its boutique shops and cafes, make it a delightful place to explore. Food enthusiasts will find Auckland's culinary scene to be a treat for the senses. The city's diverse population has led to a rich tapestry of flavors from around the world. You can savor fresh seafood at the Auckland Fish Market, indulge in Pacific Rim cuisine, or sample Maori delicacies like hangi. Waiheke Island, a short ferry ride away, is renowned for its vineyards.